2015 Lexus RC350, stock before. Sound decibels. There it is, stock. We'll let you guys hear it when we get done.
2015 Lexus RC350 F Sport. Look at that thing. Coupe. What we got done on it. Factory converter there. Factory converter there. And then there's an X pipe right there. Then we did a mid resonator delete there. Then we did a rear muffler delete there and there. And put some sexy Natami tips. 4-inch outlet. We'll get you guys a link in the description for them. But there's the two mufflers with the over-engineered tip design. There and there. And there's the two mufflers and two resonators, okay? That's what it looks like after. A lot nicer, a lot cleaner. So stay tuned, guys. We're gonna let you hear it. And like always, guys, like, comment, subscribe. 2018 Lexus F Sport RC350. Look at this thing, got custom wheels, F Sport badge, 2-door coupe. What we got done? Factory converter. Then secondary converters there. Then Lexus's version of an X pipe right there. Then we left the resonators on it. She didn't want it too loud. She wanted a little bit of tone, nothing crazy. We did a rear muffler delete there and there. And we finished it off with some sexy purple Natami tips right there, as you guys can see. Really clean, really nice. There'll be a link in the description for them. There and there. To finish it off, angle cut quads. Gives it a really nice sport look. Compared to the over-engineered tip install of this thing. Look at this thing. I don't know why so much detail went into the tip for them to install the tip on this muffler. Look, I swear probably this took like 6 months of engineering just to make this tip fit. And both of them are like that. So remember, if you guys own this car and you want to do any kind of muffler modification, you have to change the tips on it, okay? Which in my opinion, those tips look a lot better anyways. They should have went with the dual tips on each side. Don't you guys agree? Compared to the ugliness of this and the over-engineering of it. Stay tuned, guys. We're gonna let you guys hear. Very nice. Sound decibels? 118. Wow! Heck yeah! It's not that annoying sound of like Revs. It's not Revs.
It's ironic because that's louder than my V8.
Yeah.
That's when we had it off there. It was
Yeah, that Camaro is the only one. You know she likes it when she's recording it. And you know, I don't know if you guys noticed the horns. There's the horns. Little she-devil. You call her she-devil? What do you name her? Yeah, she-devil. That's why you see the horns there. It's so cool. I like this horn. And if you guys want to follow her build, it's right here. Make sure you guys tell her we sent you. Wow, that sounds phenomenal. I'm surprised. That sounds really nice. I like it. Let you guys hear all that. Alright, that sounds clean. Your sound decibels? Right at 100. I think that's perfect. I don't think we should do any more. So it's an RC350 all-wheel drive 2-door coupe. Sexy purple tips. Yeah, muffler Muffler delete is the way to go. 101. Got sexy wheels on it. Clean look. Look at this thing. It's nice. She needs a bath, but it's okay. Really sexy purple on the side. This really completes the look of this car. Here's the other angle. Very nice. Let you guys hear it on the inside. Look at this she-devil. The horns. I like the horns. That's cool. What do you guys think of that front grille on these? You won't see another Lexus with horns? Only at Exhaust Addicts you'll see Lexus with horns. Those tips are perfect for that car. I like it. Enjoy, guys. You can still hear it. Here we go. Lexus F Sport RC350. We did a muffler delete and sexy purple tips to complete the look. And we just did his Grand Cherokee with a Borla S-Type. So you get that. Here she goes. Perfect. Enjoy.